Hi, you think you don't know enough people to work online. What if you were planning a massive wedding with an unlimited budget? You'd invited everyone, family, friends, neighbors, colleagues, everyone. It turns out that you already know enough people. The average person interacts with 80,000 people in a lifetime. Use it to your own advantage. You just need to ask one question. Are you open to earn an extra income? That's it. That's what Jim's friend did, and it changed everything. She simply asked the question, and they both became millionaires. The only mistake is not asking, because if you don't ask, someone else will ask him. Jim's own brother-in-law waited too long and lost millions because he joined with someone else's, in this case, his friend. Work online, start conversation, share the information. That's it. Your job is not to convince, it's just to connect. Comment freedom and I'll send you a free guide that started it all. My name is Lynette Barnard. I'm from Vanderbijlpark and I help entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals to create recurring income so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket list. Contact me. My number is in the bio. Bye for now.